Don't man spread on the train. Close that up. Close your shit. Look, depression is real, and I advise you to get some real help. But don't do that on the subway.
You saved me. I'm gonna fix my life now.
Take off your backpack on the subway before you sit down.
If you're gonna smoke on the train, at least be low key about it.
Hold your own pole.
If you lose something in the tracks, just let it go.
It ain't worth it.